Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are trying to use AI prompts in your Lovable projects but nothing happens, no outputs, no frozen loading, weak results or errors, don't worry. In Lovable 2026, AI prompts issues are very common and are usually caused by prompts formatting problems, context conflicts, permissions, rate limits, or editor state issues. So in this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to fix AI prompts not working in Lovable 2026 like a pro. So there are some common AI prompts not working symptoms like prompts does nothing, AI keeps loading forever, very generic or wrong output, AI ignores instructions or errors message after submit, or AI worked before and now stopped. Okay, so first thing, make sure you are using AI in a supported area. So Lovable AI only works in specific context like text generation areas, page or section AI assistants, content blocks that supports AI. So AI will not work in locked sections, read-only templates, or unsupported costume code areas. Okay, so be explicit and structured. So AI responds best to clear instructions. Use this structure, for example, role, task, outputs, formats, tone. So tone is optional. Okay, so example, you are a copywriter, write a 2-line about section for a fitness coach website. Okay, confident tone like this. Okay, so here. Okay, so like this, guys. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.